Welcome to Ask a Teacher, a new program where readers ask questions and teachers answer them. English language learners use the verbs study and learn all the time. Yet, they often are unsure which to choose in a situation. Our subject today comes from Salah of Yemen. The writer asks,
I would like to know the difference between study and learn. Thanks.
Hello, Salah, and thanks for your note. Let's begin with the dictionary meaning of each word. These are from the Merriam-Webster Learner's Dictionary. To study means to read, memorize facts, or attend school in order to learn about a subject. To learn means to gain knowledge or skill by studying, practicing, being taught, or experiencing something. So, studying is just one way of learning, but it is not the only way. Sometimes we learn through experience. For example, if you travel to Thailand, you can visit a lot of sites, try the traditional foods, and talk to the local people. By the time you leave, you will have gained a lot of knowledge about the country. So, you could say, I learned so much about Thailand. You could not say, I studied so much about Thailand, because your actions did not mainly involve reading, memorizing facts, taking a course, attending school, or something similar. In addition, when you study something, you have not learned it yet. And sometimes you can even study something without learning it. For example, if you say, I studied English, it may mean you took English classes, or maybe you tried to teach yourself through an app or language website. But maybe you had difficulty with this and still do not know how to speak the language. In that situation, you could not say, I learned English, because that would mean you had gained enough knowledge to use it. If the difference between learn and study is not clear yet, here are a few sentences that compare them.
He learned so much about Thailand on his trip.
He studied Thai history and culture in college.
They learned how to write stories in the new writing class.
They spent time studying the techniques of story writing.
Where did you learn how to bake so well?
Did you study baking in school?
And one last tip for remembering the difference is this expression, I studied, but I did not learn anything. And that's Ask a Teacher. I'm Alice Bryant.
Do you have a question for Ask a Teacher? Write to us in the comments area and be sure to list your country.